Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to speed up LDPlayer Emulator, the full guide 2026, so you can make the emulator faster and enjoy smoother performance on your PC. First, open LDPlayer and click the settings icon. Go to the performance tab and adjust CPU and RAM allocation. For most PCs, setting 4 CPU cores and 4 GB RAM gives better speed and stability. Next, open Display Settings and lower the resolution to 1280 by 720. Lower resolution reduces system load and helps the emulator run faster. Now move to Graphics Settings. Select OpenGL rendering mode first, since it usually provides smoother performance. If needed, switch to DirectX and restart LDPlayer to compare results. After that, check virtualization status. Open Task Manager, go to Performance, and confirm virtualization is enabled. If it's disabled, enable it from BIOS because this significantly improves emulator speed. Then open Windows Graphics Settings and set LDPlayer to high performance so your dedicated GPU handles the emulator instead of integrated graphics. Before launching apps or games, close unnecessary background programs like browsers or downloads to free CPU and RAM resources. Inside game settings, lower graphics quality and disable extra visual effects to improve overall speed. Also make sure LDPlayer and your graphics drivers are fully updated for the latest performance optimizations. Finally, keep enough free storage space and use an SSD if available for faster loading times. And that's it. Your LDPlayer emulator should now run faster and smoother. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more PC optimization guides. Thanks for watching.